Next, I will demonstrate the Fulong Feishing, crouching dragon soaring movement. Providing a detailed explanation of the essentials. Fulong Feishing, crouching dragon soaring, continuing from the previous posture. Step forward with the left foot to the left side. Bringing the left sword finger close to the inner side of the right forearm. Simultaneously turn the wrist while bringing them together, and use the turned wrist to parry the sword upward. As you parry, perform a Yun Jian cloud sword movement, keeping the sword edge facing upward while moving the sword vertically. Next, I will demonstrate